So a very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. Just taking a look and a recap of some of the major events in which we've seen unfold. Starting off with the overnight in early Asian trade, did see a boost in euro-dollar currency pair. This came on the back of the deal being signed off then in terms of the Eurozone finance ministers for this next bailout of Greece. Some of the details here have seen then a haircut of over 53%, which will equate to a net present value of over 70%, which has been confirmed as well from various officials this morning. They'll look to target to bring the debt to GDP ratio in Greece back down to around 120% by 2020 from the current level around 164%. As mentioned then, some general risk on trades were seen overnight in Asia. However, as the European participants have come into the market, we've seen a bit of a bout turn in sentiment. The euro against the dollar is now trading a minor negative and all equity markets are in the red. A couple of things here to be noted. Firstly, out of London's FT, the Financial Times then reporting of a Troika debt sustainability report which has questioned the ability for these so-called measures to be implemented by Greece and also for the whether or not they can reach these debt ratios in that time period that has been specified as part of the conditions of the bailout programme. It has speculated then that could potentially lead to further money having to be given to Greece in the future. That as well coupled with a German press article which has also said that IMF is still somewhat indecisive on their contributions towards the Greek package has taken some of that risk appetite out of the market as we head in toward the North American Open. Looking forward, in terms of actual US economic data, it's another very quiet day, but participants will be returning from the President's Day holiday today, so we could see a slight pickup in volume from Monday's session. However, given that fact with the calendar, it means that we'll pretty much continue to focus on Greece for the moment to be one of the key drivers for market direction. In terms of one thing to look out for, later in the session today, the Greek PM is to hold a cabinet meeting at 7 o'clock local time in Athens, so that'll be around 5 PM London after the European cash equity close. In terms of corporate earnings, just to give you a quick heads up, we have seen Home Depot this morning. They have come out and exceeded on the EPS and revenue, and they are conducting a $3.5 billion buyback for 2012. They just came out on the wires a few minutes ago. That concludes the opening wrap for me here in London. We'll have another update this afternoon, so enjoy your trading day.